Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to show country code in Google Spreadsheet. So guys, first thing what you will do is have a list of numbers. So from here, just simply select them. And once you have select them, just simply go ahead and click on format over here. And just simply go for the number. And here on the number, just simply go for the custom number format. And after that, just simply provide a plus sign. And after that, just simply provide your country code. Let's say the country code is 93. And after that, just simply provide a hash tag. And from here, guys, just simply click on apply. And from here, you should be able to show the country code in Google Spreadsheet. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them all. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.